Good morning, class. It's Mrs. K. Hall and baby Evelyn here this morning to bring you our daily number corner. So I already unveiled our Saturday and Sunday, and I already put them in our calendar grid observations, but we'll take a look at them anyway. So we had an analog clock for Saturday, which showed us 6 o'clock, and we had an analog clock for Sunday that showed us 6:30. From 6 o'clock to 6:30, how much time has passed? That's a question that I'm going to have you answer in the comments today. How much time has passed from 6 o'clock to 6:30, and how do you know? Okay, I'll post that question in the description as well. So let's take a look at today. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Let's get started and see what it is. It is a digital clock today, and it shows us 7 o'clock. From 6:30 to 7 o'clock, we know that that is a half hour. Let's go over to our calendar grid observations and let's log it for today. So here is today right here. We know that today is a digital clock. Oops. It shows us 7 o'clock. From 6:30 to 7 o'clock, it shows us a half hour. And we know a half hour is 30 minutes. You know that too? Here. Something really exciting is tomorrow is our last day in March. So on Wednesday, it's going to be April. It's also going to be April 1st, and it'll be April Fool's Day. What jokes are you going to play at home on April Fool's Day? Kind of excited to see. If you do any really good ones, share on our Facebook page so everyone can see them. Let's head over to our pennies, nickels, and dimes to see what we can collect today. All right, let's see what we can get. Let's spin, spin, spin away to see what we get today. Ooh, we have 3 pennies and 1 dime. We have 1, 2, 3 pennies and 1 dime. We know that a dime is worth 10 cents. Let's do our poems quick. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. And penny, 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 easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. She's really enjoying her water. So let's do our equation for today. We have 1, 2, 3 pennies and 1 dime. We know that a dime is worth 10 plus 1 cent plus 1 cent plus another one equals, let's do our counting on strategy. Let's start at the biggest number, which is 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents for today. Here is our new schedule. Now this schedule is a little bit different than the other one. It's the same exact materials, but yeah, it's the same exact materials, but it is just in a different, it just looks different. So reading today, this is all today right here. Reading today is 20 minutes independently and 15 minutes with a partner. Remember, that can be with a parent, it can be with a sibling, sister or brother, or it can be with a pet. If you don't have access to any of those to read to, go ahead and read to a stuffed animal. There is today no writing for today. Page 80 of your math packet. Here's page 80. It is fairly simple. Write an equation to match the dominoes, then draw a line to the word that tells how many in all. You won't find a match for every word. Now, there are 7 dots on here, so they wrote 7. There's 7 dots on this domino, so they wrote 7, and 7 plus 7 equals 14. And they drew the line nicely to match 14. You're going to do the same here. Here's 3 and 3. 3 and 3 equals 6, so we would write 6. 3 and 3 equals 6, and then we have to add them together. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and we would just draw a line from here to meet 12. Oh, excuse you, baby girl. Number corner, watching number corner that we are doing right now, and work on your sight words for today. I saw a really great picture of Rowan doing his sight words. Nice job, Rowan. I know a lot of people are doing their sight words too. I saw Cooper doing them. And I saw a lot of people sending me their counting. Great job to everyone that sent me their counting to 120 and counting from 50 to 0 backwards. You guys did fantastic. It's so nice to see you and hear your voices. I miss you guys so much. Let's keep going. Music, if you would like, it's not required, but it is just something fun to do. Quavers Music on Launchpad. Now, something really cool about this new schedule here is that everything that's in blue, Epic, Google Classroom, and Launchpad, they are actually links. If you click on them, they'll actually bring you to the web page. So this document right here is in our Facebook group. It was sent via email, and I think I sent it via Class Dojo. If I didn't, I'll do it today. I'll check and make sure that I do. So just open it. It opens as a PDF, and then you can just click. So if I wanted to go to Epic, which is a very fun reading, I know a lot of friends have done that already. Click on it, and it brings you right to the web page. So here we are at Epic. You're just going to log in, and then you can browse so many different types of books. There's a bunch, and if you can't get on here, if you don't want to go on here, remember that Tumble Books is an option too on your Launchpad that we do for listening center in school for our centers. So this is Epic, very great resource to use for reading if you have no more books at home. Remember that the other one is great as well. Now, just a reminder for writing, there is no writing for today, but there is writing in the old packet. So if you have access to a printer, feel free to print that off. If you do not have access to a printer, please just write on a blank piece of paper, notebook paper, whatever you have at home, doesn't matter, just as long as your writing is great. So we hope that you guys have a great Monday. Also, an update on writing, we will not be starting our new writing unit until probably next week. They want us to keep reviewing. So have a great Monday. Are you telling them to have a great Monday? Oh, yes. So have a great Monday, guys, and see you guys soon, hopefully. Bye, guys.